Well, this summer, we here at Siouxland News are teaming up with the Iowa Beef Industry Council to give you a recipe of the week every Wednesday. This week, Rochelle Gilman with the Iowa Beef Industry Council has a delicious 4th of July recipe for us. Let's get cooking.
I have a cumin rubbed steak taco that is going to be a big hit for your 4th of July celebrations. And we're using a top sirloin steak, a great all-purpose steak. Now, if you can't find a top sirloin, there are a couple steak swaps that you can use in place of that. One of them would be the ranch steak, which is a more economical option. Another great option would be a flat iron steak, which is one of the most tender steaks that you can find. With any of those steak cuts, we're going to add a cumin rub, and it is ground cumin, brown sugar, garlic powder, and cayenne red pepper. And we're going to combine all those rub ingredients, and then we're going to apply that rub to the surface of your steak on both sides. And then your steak is ready to grill. To assemble that steak taco, we're going to thinly slice our sirloin steak, and then we're going to top it with a homemade corn salsa. And we've got grilled corn in there to give it extra flavor. Avocado cream. So that flavor combination of smoky, sweet, spicy really gives you a great flavor for that steak taco. This recipe and other grilling recipes are available on iabeef.org. This segment is brought to you by the Iowa State Beef Checkoff, funded by beef farmers and ranchers. And we wish you a very safe, happy 4th of July.
Well, you can find complete directions on how to prepare and serve these steak tacos with spicy grilled corn salsa. Visit the recipe of the week under the Sunrise tab at SiouxlandNews.com. And while you're there, be sure to sign up for your chance to win $100 in beef bucks and a grilling accessory kit from the Iowa Beef Industry Council. We want to congratulate Jill Jurgensen of Sutherland, Iowa. She's a winner, this month's winner, actually, of $100 in Iowa beef bucks and a grilling kit.